Here I go.
Just display of our touch cold therapy types, twin spas and saunas in the region and up to 50% off. That's the heart of the Twin Spa Blowout Expo this weekend.
This year, all in a hope to get people to care while there's still time.
We highlight the good work that stewards of wildlife are doing. Like if there's a place that rescues injured and orphaned wildlife, like Nebraska Wildlife Rehab, we go there, we photograph their animals, and then we can tell the world about their good work.
It's pretty cool stuff. In all, Sartori has photographed more than 13,000 different animals. The Nebraska of the Year award has been given out by the Lincoln Rotary Club 14 since 1988, recognizing people who have distinguished themselves.
Cole Miller, EAS.
Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Johnson County in southeastern Nebraska.
And Ken Siemek, EAS.
County in southeastern Nebraska. Southeastern Odo County in southeastern Nebraska. Northeastern Nichols County in southeastern Nebraska.
See, there's Ken Siemek with the glasses.
7 p.m. Severe thunderstorm.
Yeah.
It was a show of stamina as Democrats try to show their frustrated supporters they were contesting Trump's agenda. Butler centered his speech on a call for his party to find its resolve, saying we all must look in the mirror and say we will do better.
New attend some high honors to two heroes here in Nebraska. Governor Jim Pillen joining up with the Nebraska Department of Veterans Affairs to recognize two World War II veterans who made the ultimate sacrifice.
You inspire us to do better, so thank you all. Let's hear it.
The two being honored include Jay Colley and Claire Seward. This is part of the World War II recognition program. It pays special tribute to those who fought in the war 80 years after it took place. Governor Pillen says the choices our soldiers made.
Sewer, EAS. Rob Fowler, EAS.
The National Weather Service in
Rossi Dawkins
issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Johnson County in southeastern Nebraska, northwestern Nemaha County in southeastern Nebraska, eastern Odo County in southeastern Nebraska, northeastern Gage County in southeastern Nebraska until 10:45 p.m. At 10:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Sterling, or 11 miles west of Tecumseh, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Nebraska City, Crab Orchard, Sterling, St. Mary, Camp Catron, Adams, Lorton, Talmadge, Cook, Burr, Duck Creek Recreation Area, Brock, Vista, Dunbar, Julian, Syracuse, and Tecumseh. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Gage, Johnson, Nemaha, and Odo.
Nemaha and Odo. Oh, another one.
Got 2 notifications on TikTok. I feel like that's something I'm missing out on.
So dark.
Another one. Yeah. Yeah.
So it feels pass until midnight for wind. 60 miles per hour wind gusts. That's stupid.
South Bend, Advocate, Bellevue, and Council Bluffs. This includes Interstate 29 between mile markers 29 and 43. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12 a.m. Wednesday for the following counties in Iowa, Mills and Potawatomi, and the following counties in Nebraska, Cass and Sarpy.
Cass and Sarpy.
The watches are now populating on our TV station.